Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, I have one subscription that is new to us, of course, and it's one of my favorite subscriptions to get in the mail because it just brings such happy vibes into my life and I love it. This is the Free Your Tea subscription bag. And if you would like to see what this company is all about, because it is unique, and what I got in this bag, then just keep on watching. They gave you my Okie dokie. So like always, first we're going to read up on the company and the prices and all the deets, and then we will rip open this bag because I can't wait any longer. Okay, so first, the prices. They have 4 different options for your subscription. There's the personalized tea, which is $16 a month. There's the caffeine-free personalized tea, which is $17 a month. There's a weekly pitcher personalized iced tea, which is $16. There's the daily tall glass personalized iced tea for $27. And then one that I think sounds so awesome and amazing is the summer of tea iced tea with a pitcher for $30. I thought that was super cool that it came with an actual pitcher. So we do have a coupon code. It is 50% off your first box with the code FIRST50. I'll leave that right there for you guys. And there is a free shipping in the US. It ships the same day you order it. And there is a $5 international shipping fee. It ships worldwide from the US. First, you get a shipment of 6 teas. You rate those teas, and then you get the teas you like in your next bag. So we are going to be doing a 2-part video for this one. So first, I'm going to put this video out for you guys, and then we will wait for the next shipment to come in and see how good they did to personalize the tea to me. So, you guys ready? I am. Let's bust in. Oh, already I'm smelling some good stuff. Okay. Oh, cool. That's a magnet for your fridge. It says brewing iced tea, tea to water ratio. A cup is 8 ounces of water and 1 tablespoon of tea. A pint glass is 16 ounces of water, 2 tablespoons of tea. That is so cool. The ratios. That is so cool. I love that. Okay. Next, how to cold brew tea. Use a little more tea than you would use to brew hot tea. About a tablespoon of tea per cup of water. You can always add more water or ice later if you think it's too strong. Tea being too strong? I don't think so. Cover and refrigerate overnight, then discard the tea bags or filter out the tea. Serve or add mint, lemon, honey, or sugar. Those dang trains, I tell you what, they drive me nuts. Okay, then there is a note from the founder of the company. It says, cold brewed iced tea tastes better because the slow brewing process brings out all of the great flavors of the tea without any of the bitterness that can come from brewing in hot water. That's really cool. And then there's how to get the most out of your subscription in 5 easy steps. So, step 1 is the initial sampler, which is what we have. The initial sampler that you receive is designed to get you to taste some fairly different teas and rate them at freeyourtea.com/ratings. Step 2 is preferences. We ask that you share your general tea preferences at freeyourtea.com/preferences so that you can combine it with your ratings to start tailoring teas to your taste. Step 3, monthly tea. Your monthly tea is tailored to your taste based on your ratings and preferences. It is the tea we think you are most likely to like the most. Keep rating and we'll keep getting better at tailoring. Wow. If only BoxyCharm and Ipsy and all these other places that do little like quizzes could take some advice from this company, right? Step 4, free sample. The monthly free sample is not tailored to you. It is a tea we want to find out how you like, or a tea we want a lot of people to try. Please rate this one too. That's super cool. A free sample in every month? Wow. Okay. Step 5, personalization. Combine all of our internal data on people's tea preferences and ratings. We can personalize your subscription to help you discover the teas you are most likely to love. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Okay. That is so amazing. And then we'll definitely check in again when I get the monthly one in, and we'll see how good they did at tailoring to my preferences. So we'll go through some tea first, and then I'll pick the one that I think I'll like the most, and we'll brew it, and I'll drink it with you guys. So the first one up is Ginger Orange Pura. Not much can stand up to the robust flavor of Pura. I think I might be saying that wrong. It's P-U-E-R-H. But the ginger root and orange peel here balances it wonderfully, creating something new and invigorating. That sounds nice. Ingredients: tea, ginger root, and orange peel. Plain, cold brewed. Free Your Tea is a personalized tea subscription that discovers and delivers your favorite teas using tea preferences, data, and knowledge. Use 1 teaspoon worth of tea per cup. For hot tea, steep no more than 4 to 5 minutes. For cold brew, steep 10 to 12 hours. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that smells orangey. So there is what she looks like right there. And there are some orange peels in here. That smells fantastic. I just don't see where the caffeine content is. So that's something I will ask them later, or maybe I'm looking in the wrong spot. Next up, we have a Bai Mao Dan, a white tea that is beautifully pure, light, and floral with hints of natural sweetness. Just make sure your water isn't too hot. Plain or cold brewed. It's from Fujian, China. Ingredient: tea. Well, that's cool. Let's see what this one looks like. This one is leafy. I love the way that tea looks. It's so pretty to me. Okay. So far, I don't know which one I'm liking. Okay, this is the, oh, cool. I'll show you guys that in a second. Nilgiri Black Blend. I know how much caffeine is going to be in this one. This one is from India. A lighter blend of black teas from the Nilgiri Mountains. It is still fairly full-bodied and earthy and shines both hot and cold brewed. Plain honey sugar cold brewed. I love black tea because I am a huge, high caffeine type person. I'm just always a tired person in general. So, oh yes. That smells like just regular traditional tea that I'm used to. That's perfect right there. Okay, like that one. This is what I was like, oh, that's so cool. So in your sample bag with your 6 teas, you also get tea bags. Yes, that is so useful. Okay. Oh, there's more. Wow. Look at all of these tea bags that you get. That's a lot. Cool. Okay, I'm super stoked now. Citrus Earl Grey. Yes. The bergamot orange is what makes an Earl Grey an Earl Grey. Here it is accompanied by a little more citrus to make it even Earl Greyer. Ingredients: tea, blue mallow blossoms, bergamot citrus flavor, plain cold brewed sugar. Wow, that's bergamot-y, that's for sure. And there it is. Oh, yeah, I see the little blue flowers in there. I wonder if this one turns your water blue. I love those teas. It makes it so pretty and enjoyable. Okay, sweet jasmine green. Ooh, I love green teas cold. So I'll probably make a picture of this one. So this one is from China. A lighter green tea that bursts with jasmine flavor from beginning to end and is both floral and surprisingly sweet. Plain cold brew. Ingredients: tea scented with white jasmine blossoms. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oops. There it is. See some of those flowers right there, those white spots. It smells divine. Just such divine. That might be interesting. I think I might cold brew this one for sure. And then last but not least, we have red fruit. When you want more than just a tea in your tea, there are a few things that sweeten the deal more than fruit. Here represented by very popular red berries lovingly blended. Ingredients: tea, cranberry pieces, and safflowers with cranberry, strawberry, and raspberry flavor. Plain cold brewed. Oh, I take it back. I'm cold brewing this one. That is freaking beautiful. And it smells outstanding. Okay, so I'm going to be cold brewing this one. So we will touch bases with this one in my next video on this company. And I am going to make a quick cup of, I think I might go with the Citrus Earl Grey. Actually, you know what? No, I'm quite curious about the Ginger Orange Purée. Sorry, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. So I'm going to go and grab a cup of hot water and dunk this in, and we'll steep it and drink it. And we'll figure out, how good is this tea? I'll be right back. Okay, I have my boiled sugar water right here. And again, we are using the ginger orange. I have already got it put into my tea bag right here. And we're going to steep it for 4 to 5 minutes. And I picked a clear cup just because I wanted you guys to be able to see the color. All right, I'll see you guys in 4 to 5 minutes. Okie dokie, and here is our tea fully steeped. It's really hot. Let's get a little sip and see what we think. I freaking love a good cup of tea. That's amazing. Oh man. That's so awesome. That just gives me the most at peace feeling ever. I'm going to be sipping on this tea all night long, just hanging out, relaxing. That is wonderful. Let's recap really quickly and then that'll be it. So we got all of these tea bags. There's a lot there. And 6 teas. That's the one that I just drank. That is amazing. And then we got that one. And that one. The red fruit one that I'm going to go and stick in a pitcher in the fridge right now. That one. And that one. Wow, all of that. And it's depending on which subscription you get. If you get just the personalized tea, it's $16 a month. And everybody would, I don't know if you would get the same sample teas like I did, or if they would be a mixture of different ones. But everybody, for your first bag, from this company, you will get 6 teas, 3 reusable tea bags, and then you'll rate them, and then you will start receiving tea tailored to your taste. Absolutely outstanding. Please let me know down below what your guys' favorite tea is. I absolutely love tea. And I will see you guys in my next video because there will be a part 2 to this to see how well they tailored the tea to me. All right, you guys, like always, I love you guys so, so very much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.